Good morning class 6. This is your English class. Today in this video we are going to read and explain the starter kit of unit 4. So students, now open page number 93 in your English book. See on the top of the page there is unit 4. Okay? Unit 4 means we know in one unit there are 3 or 4 chapters. So this is the unit 4. Before going to read the chapters those are given under unit 4, we have to read here a starter kit. The name of the starter kit is Fables. Okay, so let's see what are fables. Let's see what are fables. Fables are short stories in which the main characters are usually animals that can speak and act like human beings. So, what are fables? Fables are short stories. In fables, the main characters are specially animals, and in the stories, these animals' characters can speak and they can act also like human beings. The aim of such stories is to show up the many foolish things that human beings do and thus teach them a lesson to guard against those follies. Okay, so what are the aim of those fables? The aim of those fables is to show many foolish things those human beings do and teach the human beings a lesson to guard against those follies, means faults. Okay, the lesson is usually set out at the end of the story. The lessons that the fable gives is usually set out at the end of the story and is called the moral of the story, and it is called the moral of the story. Okay, once again I am repeating about fables. Fables are specially short stories and the main characters of fables are specially animals. Those can speak and act like human beings. The aim of such stories is to show the many foolish things those human beings do. And the purpose of this story is also teach the human being a lesson to guard against their faults. The lesson is usually set out at the end of the story, that is called the moral of the story. Here is an example of a fable. Okay, here is an example of a fable. So let's see. Two cocks had a fight. Two cocks had a fight. Okay, two cocks had a fight. One was beaten and slunk away out of sight. One cock was beaten and slunk away out of sight. The other was so pleased at his victory that he flew up to the roof and began boasting loudly. The other cock was so pleased at his victory. The other cock became pleased because of his victory, and it flew up to the roof and began boasting loudly. Boasting means felt pride. Okay, the other cock flew up to the roof and show his pride loudly. An eagle heard his loud crowing. An eagle heard its loud crowing. The cock's loud crowing, that was crowing in pride at his victory. She came flying from her nest and swooped down on the cock. Then the eagle saw a cock was crowing in pride on the roof. Then the eagle came flying from her nest and swooped down on the cock. She carried the proud cock off and had a good dinner with her friends. The eagle carried the proud cock to her nest and had a very good dinner with the eagle's friend. Now see, the moral of the story is, it is foolish to boast of one's success or victory. Okay, it is foolish to boast on one's success or victory. When someone get a victory against another, then never become so proud about it. Okay, the moral of the story is like that: when someone get a victory, then don't become too proud about this victory. Okay, now see, can you name some fables and tell their moral? Students, can you know about some fables and tell their moral? Then you have to write the name of the story here, the name of the fable here, and you have to write the moral of the fable here. In the next video, we will start chapter 4.1 of unit 4.